Okay, so here in chapter 2 jQuery functions folder, I have 10th file, that is slideToggle.html. In this boilerplate code, I have loaded here jQuery library, and from line number 7 to line number 11, I am simply saying when document is ready. When document is fully loaded inside browser, call this anonymous function. Now inside body, I am going to have a input button. So input type submit, and the value I am going to say here like slide toggle. In this lecture I am going to show you how to use slide toggle jQuery method to perform slide up and slide down on a single button's event handler. So after this button I am going to have a line break and then a div. To this div I am going to assign bunch of CSS properties. For example, background color as cyan, width 200 pixels, height 200 pixels. I'm going to assign an ID to this button, btn. Now what do I want this time is, if somebody is clicking this button, then this div performs slide toggle. What does it mean by slide toggle? Whenever this div is in slide down state and somebody is clicking this button, then the slide toggle will simply perform slide up on this div. And if this div is already in slide up state, clicking this button will simply perform slide down on this div. So that is slide toggle behavior. I'm going to select the button inside this document.ready function via id, so hash btn, and then I'm going to assign the click event handler function to this button. So click, and then here in parameter list I'm going to pass callback anonymous function. When somebody clicks this button, this callback function will be called, and here what I'm going to say, that select the div via tag and perform slide toggle behavior. So the slide toggle method is being called on this div on button's click event handler. So if I go and run this file in browser, sorry guys, so this div is in slide down state. If I click this toggle button, the slide toggle will simply perform slide up on this div, and once this div is slided up, if I click this button once again, the div will perform slide down. So that's all.